Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Today, I'm just delivering the lecture on the introduction of online public access catalog, which is very useful for searching books and journal. We just visit whenever in the library. That time we search the books and journals in the library. That is a collection. What type of the collection is available? It must be reflect in online public catalog. That online public access catalog would help to every students and staff to search the books available and journal available in the library. Our Anandibai Raurane Arts and Commerce Science College library having the library software named as e-library manager. That e-library manager software is available online. The website of that e-library manager, that is www.elibrarymanager.com. In that you will click, if you click online that website, the screen will be appear like we just go through the PPT. Then PPT will be help to understand very well. Please wait. Okay, this is a PPT, and this is our library integrated information system, that is www.elibrarymanager.com. This is our library website. In that website, the online library software named as e-library manager, you may call it e-library management system also. The search criteria, we just understanding that. I will try my level best to teach you how to operate OPAC through www.elibrarymanager.com. When you just go online and type your website name elibrarymanager.com, then screen will be appear like this. This screen will be appear. After the appearing this screen, you have to, that means staff and students have to click on sign in. After the sign in, the next slide will be appear like, after the sign in, below screen will be appear. Kindly click on the catalog college for OPAC. Okay, after the clicking on select college for OPAC, another screen will be appear like this. Select college name from the list. After the clicking, you have to search that which college is belongs to you. That means that college's name already appear in this list. See that college. Suppose that here is Anandibai Raurane Arts Commerce Science College. You see here, after the clicking the name of that college, the next screen will be appear like, below screen will be appear. After this, kindly click on the search button. After the search button, the next screen will be appear like this. This screen, you have to go through search button and click on the book. After the clicking of the book, this screen will be appear. This screen shows the search criteria like accession number wise, title wise, author wise, subject wise, publication wise, vendor wise, date of purchase wise, even the how many students and staff have been issued the books and non-issued the books. Even the book description wise criteria also available, and advanced search also available. After this, we have to take an example. Suppose that we want to search some Marathi subject book, Savitri, that book we want to that search that book. Then we have to select the title, then the subject name, then our book's name, then search. We have to click on that. After that, the screen will be appear. This we have to click. If you just type here in title Savitri, then right from the Savitri, what type of the book is available, list will be appear in pull down menu. Okay, after this screen, the result will appear. If search, we click on the search, then the result will be appear like this. Here we can see the BC Book Bank scheme and regular book bank scheme, Siddhivinayak book bank scheme. All of these books appear, which is named as book named as Savitricha Nirnay. This book. It is a very simple criteria for search the books. I would like to suggest to all the staff of Anandibai Raurane Arts, Commerce, Science College and the students of this college, kindly use this website for your searching the books and journal. I would like to say again the name of the library website, www.elibrarymanager.com. You will appear the website, college library website. I would like to thank you here. I would like to stop here. Okay. Hope you will understand and you will got the search criteria techniques. Thank you. Thank you.